I needed something to go with my wine, and here it is, Tiger's Tears salad. This is an appetizer dish that I'll get every single time I went to a Thai restaurant, and I would make it Thai hot. If this is your first time here, hello, I am Melanie. Subscribe and turn on your bell for weekly Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. First, we're going to roast our rice. Turn on high heat with a pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of jasmine rice and roast it. Make sure you keep turning it around. Don't walk away until it's golden brown like this. And just turn off the heat. Transfer it into a mortar and pestle and just grind it up. It smells very nutty. I like it coarse because I like the nuttiness, so don't grind it too fine, too powdery. It's gonna be so nutty. In the same pan, add a little oil and put in your steak. This is top sirloin left over from my phở beef noodle soup. Just let it sit there on high heat with some salt and pepper. In the meantime, prepare your veggie. I have some lettuce here and about half an onion and 1 carrot. Don't worry, you can make this at home to your own spiciness. During the COVID-19 lockdown, I had not much left in the house, and so this dish was a leftover of a piece of beef top sirloin from my phở beef noodle soup and a couple of simple vegetables to make into a colorful salad. I love colors. Don't forget your steak. That was about 3 to 5 minutes. Do the same for the other side. I'm using about half an onion, thinly sliced. This is sweet onions, but you can also use Vidalia's onions if you're in the season for it. It's gonna be much better. Also shred you some carrot. I like some color in there. I'm also going to sear the sides and then turn it down to low to let it simmer so that the inside will cook. And then finish out your carrots. It looks so nice already. Let me know down in the comment below if you ever had this spicy Thai beef salad, or Tiger's Tears, or Crying Tigers, or Waterfall beef. And how spicy did you like it? So much sauce, I add about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I like a little bit on the sour side, so I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of lime juice. So you can adjust it because lime has different sourness to it, so it can do from 4 to 8. But put in 4 first and add it slowly to your likeness. And after a few minutes, I've done this on both sides. I turn it on high heat. And right before I take it off, I dash it in a few dashes of soy sauce, probably a tablespoon, and just trying to get all the sauce to thicken up. And turn off the heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes, resting while I'm doing my sauce. Continue to my sauce. And of course, I forgot to video when I add the cilantro and the pepper. My steak has been rested. And look at that. It is so juicy and medium. I think I was looking for a medium. I used to do rare to medium rare, but as I grow older, I'm just getting, I don't know. I'm going with mediums these days. I confess that I licked my finger a few times. And don't forget the sauce, guys. This is also very yummy. Right before you add the sauce, put in your roasted rice and drizzle it around. Look at that. That is a perfect combination side dish, whatever it was the main dish for me this day to go with my wine. And that's what I was looking for my wine. It was like 30 minutes when I put all this together. I had to share this with my husband also because quite a lot. Look at that. It's like crunchiness, nuttiness from the rice, and this little salted in the fish sauce, and a little sour. It just keep you going, and oh. So here I was able to video my sauce. So I'm using beef flank steak here, and I use a whole onion here, so I just use some in there. Also use green onion, so this is homegrown, so you know it's just whatever you like to use in there. Some nice crunchy. This is not really a traditional, you know, the Thai sauce. They would add in some tamarind, but I know it can be tough for people to find tamarind somewhere. I do have tamarind, but I like just lime just to make this simple for me. So if you have tamarind sauce, you know, substitute that with the lime, the amount of lime that you have. I also have a beef stir-fry salad recipe linked in the description below for you if you are like a salad lover like me. I hope you enjoyed this quick, simple, and spicy recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share with your spicy lovers. Subscribe if you haven't for weekly Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day and bye-bye!